Hello tech lovers, today, we are here to explore a smartphone that is not just another device but a statement of innovation and design. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro is set to redefine what we expect from mid-range smartphones in 2025. With its sleek aesthetics, powerful internals, and AI-driven features, it's a device that balances performance, affordability, and uniqueness. Design and display. One of the first things that stand out about the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is its signature transparent design, a hallmark of Nothing's brand identity. The phone features a 6.77-inch flexible AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring fluid visuals and an immersive user experience. Its IP64 rating provides dust and water resistance, making it durable for everyday use with a 1000Hz touch sampling rate, a 2160Hz PWM frequency, a 3000 nits peak brightness. The glyph lighting system is a unique addition, offering personalized notifications and interactions through LED lighting patterns on the back. This feature enhances how users engage with their device, adding a futuristic touch. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, offering smooth performance for everyday tasks. The device comes in 8GB per 128GB and 12GB per 256GB variants, ensuring ample storage and multitasking capabilities. The smartphone runs on Android 15 with Nothing OS 3.1, which is clean, bloatware-free, and optimized for efficiency. A standout software feature is the AI Companion, an intelligent assistant that interacts contextually with users, providing real-time information and app suggestions. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple camera setup on the rear, which includes 50MP main sensor with OIS for sharp and steady shots, 50MP periscope telephoto lens offering 3x optical zoom and up to 60x digital zoom, making it a rare feature in this price range, 8MP ultra-wide lens for capturing broader scenes. On the front, a 50MP selfie camera ensures high-resolution selfies and video calls. The camera system performs well in low-light conditions, offering excellent dynamic range and detail retention, battery and charging. Battery life is another strong point of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. It houses a 5000 mAh battery, which provides a full day's usage even with heavy tasks. It supports 50W fast charging, reaching 100% in under an hour. However, wireless charging is not included, which might be a drawback for some users. Connectivity and features. The phone supports 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring fast and stable wireless connections. Additionally, it features an in-display fingerprint sensor and NFC support for contactless payments. Price and value for money. With an expected price of $399, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro offers an impressive balance between performance and affordability. It competes directly with Samsung's Galaxy A55 and Google's Pixel 8a, providing flagship-like features at a lower cost. Conclusion: the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is a game-changer in the mid-range smartphone market. With its striking design, powerful AI features, long-lasting battery, and high-quality cameras, it stands as a compelling option for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. If you're looking for a smartphone that blends style, innovation, and performance at an unbeatable price, the Nothing Phone 3A Pro is the perfect choice. Thank you.